Hi guys, welcome back to the fourth episode of Python. In this unit, we're going to do numbers as variables. So let's get started. Numbers as variables. Variables can also be numbers. When assigning a number to the value of a variable, do not surround the number with quotation marks. Number equals 5, for example. String equals 5. String is 5, so we'll put the string 5. Calculating math problems using Python. You can make two number variables, add them together, and then print the sum like this. Number 1 equals 2, number 2 equals 9. Sum equals number 1 plus number 2. Print sum. Python prints 11 because sum 1 plus sum 2, which is 11. String variables and math problems. Here's the thing, when you add two strings together, they are different. This is not 11 anymore, this is 29. Because Python adds the string 2 to the string 9 combined, so it's 29. So the input function wants to make, so you can use the input function to make Python calculate area of a rectangle using width and height. So width equals input enter a width. Height equals input enter a height. Width equals integer width. Height equals integer height. Print width times height. So let's try this. So let's go to Trinket. Alright, here. So width equals enter a width, and then you can do the same thing for height. So height equals input enter a height. Now width equals integer of width Now, Python will say enter width, let's say 100. Alright. So 10. Enter a height. 34. 34. See, that's your area. Let's try a different one. So you have, let's say 20. And 40. 800. Yep. That's how you use Python to calculate the area of a rectangle. Let's convert from integers to floats. Remember, a float is a number with a floating point or a decimal. So number 1 equals 6. Let's say we want to convert this into float and then add 3.33 to it. So number 1 equals float of number 1. So the float of 6 is 6.0 or 6.0. And 6.0 plus 3.33 is 9.33. So Python prints 9.33. Number conversions. Int converts from an integer, converts a value from a float or any number to an integer. A float converts a value to a floating point or a number with a decimal point. Here are the 7 common math operators. Addition, which we all know, subtraction, multiplication, division. Here are some new operations. Modulus. It basically divides like normal, but takes the remainder instead of the number. So 5 modulus 2 is 1 because the remainder is 1. exponents, we all know. You use 5 exponent, like that. 5 with the multiply symbol twice, 2 equals 25. Floor division is when you ignore the remainder. So 5 floor division 2 is not 1, it's 2 because it ignores the remainder. Let's see what these equal to. Let's say 5, or let's say 10. 10 modulus 2 to the power of 2. What do you think this will print? Well, there's a problem. We can't actually do that. So let's say number 1 equals 5 to the power of 3, okay? Number 2 equals 5 modulus 3. Where's the modulus there? Now, let's see. 127. That's it. That's what Python printed. That's Unit 4. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more Python tutorials. And coding tutorials are coming soon with more on Scratch and how to create nice designs and stuff. Thank you and goodbye.